Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we back out to do some testing. We are using the DTS today because we don't have a lot of people coming out, so I just want to get a similarity of numbers. So right now on this car I am using reactions, and on the blue car I will be trying, I might change them and put them on the green car, but this car has a J Concept Hottie belted tires. So let me go ahead and show y'all those. Those are what those look like. They're brand new. I just literally cleaned them and that's it. So we're gonna see what they do. They do come with some thick foams inside, so right now I got reaction foams in here, so we're gonna try that out and see how it goes. I might switch the tires also. Let me go ahead and show y'all. I will be trying some air tires. So shout out to my man Charlie, appreciate you doing this for me. So these is air tires. I'll take them out the bag. This will be in a separate video, but these is air voodoos right here. Those is the blue compounds. And then I have right here is the reactions on airs. So let me go ahead and show y'all what those look like. Give me 1 second, fellas. One second. Shout out to my man Charlie. He broke them in for me and everything, man. But these got air in them. I'll let y'all see what those look like. These got air. So we're gonna test these. These gonna be in a different video. We'll see how they do. So, alright guys, stay tuned. Benji just pulled up, so it's time. Yeah. Alright, y'all, it's gonna be the first test hit on the Hotties. They are belted, so let's see what they do. Second hit, let's see what happens. That's that J Concept belted tires. Trying to break them in, see if they hook better. Whew, them things are smoked in. Definitely spinning. We're gonna get these one more shot. See what happens. Full brake on that one.
Thank you for that. That just made me go adjust my brake over here.
Oh, we got Josh out here. Got the missus out here. We got Benji. Shout out to Benji. Benji came early, helped me fix the car and everything, the real car. Yeah, got my man Julio out here. You know, he ready testing. Got that. What's that right there again? The
Oh, brake.
It broke?
The brake.
Oh, the brake's not working? Put it on the computer. We got you. Don't worry about that. We hook you up. That's what we the testing tools for. We come out here and we help you out. That's how it goes. Let's watch Benji make this pass. See how it goes. Josh tuning. He's gonna be making some passes soon. The Hotties, I think they still need to be broken in, so we'll see what happens. Let's go, Benji. Let's see what Benji got in there. Parked it real nice though. Nice parking. Tighten up, Benji. Brian? Oh shit, we in trouble today. Brian, goddamn.
People doing what she does.
Huh?
Old people doing what she does. Again?
What happened? Gotta be the remote. Go back here. Yeah, it's a remote. So
Is it?
Up here. Alright, all that shit coming up. Yeah, throttle's at 75.
I was holding the brake.
So it's not doing it now?
No.
It's not doing nothing now. Needs to be calibrated, huh? Got steering but no throttle. Willie bar rubber. When that bitch get to going, she coming off.
That means that bitch came up, huh? That was for 2 o'clock.
Got flying Brian back out here.
Sit here and talk about her son.
We're in trouble now. Oh shit. Oh, you was tested by yourself, huh? Okay. Okay.
That's right, Brian. That's too. I like
Whew. $60, dude. Badass, I like that. That was crazy. That was crazy. Those was the air tires right there. Nice run.
He's a white one for the factory.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shit, just putting that on.